5-second strategy that you can use to trade options. Excuse me. And I had to take a sip of water here. I felt a little tickle in my throat, so I decided let me take a sip of water so I can share this information with you. I have a student here who is training with me on the demo account, and we're going to share this 5-second strategy because of popular demand. A lot of students are asking that we share this with you guys. And welcome. This is a new year, so most of you guys, we are looking forward to a very successful year for most of you. All you have to do is follow the strategies that we share with you. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of our trainings. Like and share this with people that you care about so we can start changing lives. Our goal is to find at least 1,000 people that we can work with and train them, and they can follow our strategies to get to their $1 million mark. Okay, so I'm going to share with you the best 5-second strategy so far that we are using to trade the options. And the platform that I'm using is Pocketoption. If you don't have an account, go ahead and open a demo account. The link is in the description. Okay, down here you can check, the link is in the description. Go ahead and open your free demo account, and once you get good at this strategy, you can start trading on your live account. Okay, so once you open the demo account, you can toggle between the demo and the real account. All you have to do is just go up here and click where it says real or demo. You can just go ahead and do that. Okay, so before I proceed, let me put a disclaimer here. All the information I'm sharing with you guys is not financial advice or investment advice, and trading binary options or any trading online is very risky. You can stand to lose your investment, part of it, or your entire investment. And also you need to know that most people don't make it when it comes to trading online. Almost 90% of the people don't make it. Okay, so it's a very risky affair. So only trade monies that you can afford to lose, guys. Okay, and if you need financial advice, please seek that from licensed individuals. None of us is licensed. Any of my coaches are not licensed. We are not licensed. All we share with you is our experience. We've been doing this for many, many years, so we're just sharing our experience. Okay, and it's for your entertainment and, of course, for educational purposes only. Okay, so with that out of the way, let us proceed. So guys, once you have your account set up, okay, you're going to come here and select the assets that have paying the highest payout. So 92%, for example, you just hit the stars, and that will favorite some of these. They'll put them on the top there. You can see anytime I hit a star, it shows up here. Okay, so we only want the ones that are paying at least 92. So I'm going to remove this one. Okay, so that's enough. And then when you come to the candles, you're going to select real candles S5, that is 5 seconds. And then you go to this doohickey here that looks like parallel lines, and you are going to choose the moving average. You do that one time, click the pencil icon, change the period to 21. Moving average is EMA. The style here, I put 2 pixels. I put the color white. You can use any color, that's up to you. Okay, and then once you have that, the trade time here is 5 seconds, so you just put S5 and you are ready to trade. Okay, so now what are we going to do here? The principle is very simple here, guys. Okay, before I proceed, I want you guys to stay up to the end of this video. Watch this video up to the end, because I'm going to share with you a number of strategies that you can use to trade this 5-second strategy and make it very, very successful. But in the meantime, a lot of you guys have been asking us if we have a training course or a training program in the Smart Wolf Club to help you guys, especially the beginners, how to learn how to trade binary options successfully and profitable. And that is true. We have the Smart Wolf Club Binary Options Trading Masterclass. You can join that. The link is in the description. Go ahead and join the class. And there are many lessons. For example, you can see here lesson 23 is where they're talking about the power of hedging in capital or investment preservation, which is very, very important. This is under the module of risk management. So when you're talking about risk management, this is where we're talking about preserving your capital so you don't lose your investment, okay? And we talk about the power of hedging. This is an old technique that has been used by many. There are many, many other strategies that we talk about. There are many, many lessons. This is just an example to show you guys that we actually have a program that you can join and you can learn this at your own pace, okay? These are short videos over the shoulder. You see exactly where to click, what we do, and we teach you exactly how to start from the basic. This is very good for beginners, guys, okay? If you want to change your life this year, you have to learn from the best, and the only way you can start learning is by learning, following somebody who has been there, done that, and you can start watching this knowledge that we are sharing here with you guys. So go ahead and pick up the masterclass and start training. You can do this anywhere. There's an internet connection, doesn't matter. All you need is your computer or your phone, and you can log on to the lessons and you can go through the lessons. And every week on Wednesdays, we have a new training, at least 30 minutes to 1 hour of training, where we show you some of the strategies that we and our students and our coaches are using to make money online as far as binary options is concerned. We also have Forex trading masterclass, we have a cryptocurrency trading masterclass, we have a stocks trading masterclass, and we have a digital marketing masterclass. And therefore, guys, you are well covered. It just depends on your interest and your ability to learn and apply these skills. Now, if you want a one-on-one like my student right now, you can send us an email. The email address is in the description, guys. And once you join our community, you can get a hold of our coaches, and one of our coaches we can help you one-on-one. Now, it costs more money to do a one-on-one because we need that commitment, okay? You must have the skin in the game, and our time is extremely valuable, and we only work with very, very selected, very few students at a time, because we only work with people who are serious, extremely serious, people who are willing to put in the sweat, the work, and those who are willing to succeed, okay? So not everybody qualifies for the one-on-one, okay? So you have to go through a series of interviews before we can bring you on board as our student, okay? Because in the past, we used to open it to all the students. We even had free one-on-one coachings, but we realized people are not taking it serious. You'll get a lot of tire kickers, procrastinators, lazy people, and majority of the students are very lazy. So most people want to be handed over a silver spoon, all this success they talk about, making money online. Most people have a poor mindset. They think that you don't need to work for it. No, there's a lot of work you have to do in the beginning. You have to learn the skills. You have to master this. You have to gain the experience before you can actually be seeing success. Initially, the beginning is difficult, to be honest, because you have to learn the strategies, okay? And you might go through a series of losses here and there, but always you use proper risk management, okay? So let's go back to the 5-second strategy, guys, okay? So here we go. What you do is, once you use that, we're going to have using this moving average, 21. So anytime the candles are closing below the moving average, and if the candles are red candles, you're going to use the sell option, okay? This one here. If the candles are closing, let's say above the moving average, okay, you see the green candle forming and they're closing above, then you're going to go with the call option, okay? So if it is a color in opposite direction, then you're going to go the opposite direction. For example, here you can see now this candle shot down the red candle, but now you're seeing some red and green. So this is a red candle, then you can take a sell option, okay? If we had taken a sell option here, we would be in the money, as long as it's the color corresponding with the direction, okay? So like now, this was a green candle. If you took this, you would lose the money, okay? So you want to always go with the color of the candle and where the candle is closing. If it's closing below the moving average, these have to be red candles, and you're going to take a sell option. If it's closing above the moving average, that candle has to be a green candle, and you're going to take the call option. So like this one is a green candle. So let's see if it closes above. Then we're going to go with the call option. And there we go. We are in the money. You can see that. Boom. We just made $12, guys. $12. It didn't take that long to make money, guys. Okay? I can even call it quits right now. And I see you guys in the next training. Or do you want me to take another trade? Let me see with the show of the hands. Let me see what my student is saying. Okay, they want us to take another trade. Okay, let's look at another pair. Okay, so this one is going to close above. There we go. And we're going to jump in. Call option. Let's see if it's going to go up. Nope, that one didn't go up because it changed color. It's red and it is going down. So let's wait for another red. If it's going to change color, we're going to jump in right away. No, that's green. If it was red, then we can go in there. But it might be too late, too late, too late. Yes, too late. So the timing is so important, guys. The timing is extremely important. The timing is extremely important. You have to jump at the beginning of the candle, okay? All right, so let's see, that's green. Okay, we are going with the green. So we wait for another one. Yes, there we go. That's green. It is going down. It is going down. It is going down. It was red. So that's where we are losing. Now we're going to wait for another one. Okay, that's green. That's green. That's green. That's green. That's green. Okay, we made that one. Okay, so that's green. Okay, see, some of the trainings we have is something like this. You understand the martingale strategy, guys? This is, you double the size given a loss. So anytime you lose, you're going to double your size. But if you do that here, you're still going to be losing because the assets are not paying 100%. They're paying 92%. So the best way to do it is to go with this strategy here. When you lose, you multiply by 2x your trade. So from $1 to 2.5 to 6.25 to 15.625. But when you win, you just play $1 following the 1% rule of trading. So if you have a $100 deposit, you just trade. The first trade should be $1. Okay. So you bring your equity to 101. Each time you're successful, you continue to trade the same $1 until you lose. Now, these are some of the things that we teach in our masterclass. Okay. So if you want to learn some of these at your own pace, please join the masterclass, guys. The link is in the description. This is going to help you a lot to learn some of these strategies. Okay. So here, let's see what's going on here. So we might, let's start, let's say with $1. Okay. Because this is risky. So we start with $1. Assuming that we had $100. Okay, we have 900. So we can start with $9. Okay, and then we're going to do 2.5. If we lose 2.5 of $9 is, you guys can bring a calculator here. And guys, by the way, did you see what the value of Bitcoin is today? Did you see what the value of Bitcoin is, guys? Bitcoin is going up, guys. For those of you who are into crypto, do you guys see what's happening? Bitcoin is going up, guys. Did you see what Bitcoin is doing today? Let me go to CoinGecko and show you what Bitcoin is doing today. This is a just, by the way, so that we have a commercial break. I like to have those in my trainings. So we have a commercial break right now. If you want to grab a cup of coffee or get a glass of water before you come back to your seat, you guys can see it jumped up to $45. You can see that. Today, so it went up by 7.5%. Today. Wow. And how do you buy Bitcoin? You can go to Coinbase. We have a link in the description and you can buy your Bitcoin from there. All you have to do is create an account and you can use your bank account and you can buy your Coinbase there. I mean, you can buy your Bitcoin from there, from Coinbase, and many other platforms, crypto platforms. Kraken is one of them, and we have the links in the description for you to do that if you're ever interested. And we have a masterclass that teaches you how to trade, how to deal with cryptocurrency, Bitcoins, how to buy, how to make profits, all that. We have that in the masterclass, okay? So I'm just closing one of my students' stuff here. As you can see, guys, we go back to this, and let's come back to this, and let's take a few trades, and we're gonna call it quits, guys, okay? So basically, there are many strategies. There are many 5-second strategies, and we have already shown you one here using the moving average. Sometimes we use support and resistance, okay? Like we will draw a line here, okay, right here. We draw lines here based on so once it crosses the line, you're going to take the opposite. When it bounces above the line, you're going to take the call option. Just like that, okay? So like now you can see here, it's going down, but now they have changed color, they're green. So in this case, you will not take this trade, okay? But if it continues going down and it is red, we're going to take that trade. So let's look at another pair. Okay, so this is going down. We can take a red here and see if it's going to go down further. No, yes, didn't go down. Okay, so let's take one here. Not strong enough, okay? Not strong enough. Let's look for another pair. Let's look for another pair, and let's change this to 10 seconds. Okay, no, actually, let's do the 15 seconds, 3 times that, and then our trade time is still 5 seconds. It's just that the candles are much slower now, so we can look at them differently. Okay, again, the same principle applies. The candles are closing above, but they are in red color, so they are crossing. That one is crossing below. So if it closes and another red one forms, we can go down. Can push this lower. Okay, now it's going up. You can see it's going up. It's going up, and there you go. In the money. There we go. In the money, guys. So this is going down. It's going down. That's going down. It's going down. No, it's changed directions. So you see, you have to wait for it to actually close before you jump in. So guys, you're learning this. That's why I'm doing it in the demo, so you guys can learn. My student is learning this. If you jump in before it closes, it can change direction on you and you can lose. So you just wait until the new candle forms. Okay, the new candle formation, there it is. Okay, you see it's red, it's red, it's red, and hopefully it will stay red. Voila. And you can see we actually made that. Okay, so you have to wait for it to form, and it has to have the color of the direction that you're going to. So like now it's green. If I take a red, there's a likelihood that I'm going to lose. Okay, so we're going to have to wait and wait and wait. Okay, so they are below the moving average, so we're not going to take a trade here. Let's see if we can find another one. Okay, that's all below. Okay, this is red now. It's going down. No, it's green now. Let's wait until it closes. I'm waiting for it to close. Okay, now it's green. So if it's going to go above the moving average, we wait until it closes. Okay, now we're going to jump there. Okay, it changed color, so it's going down. All right, let's see. 5-second strategy is very rapid, so you have to be really quick on your buttons. Okay, let's see. Okay, that changed color. So what you have to do is you have to take 2 in the opposite direction, which we didn't want to do that. because you're still learning this strategy, guys. You're still learning this strategy. So my student is still learning this. So here we go. We're going to wait until the next candle forms. Okay, there you go. Oh, we just broke even with that. Okay, that's not good. We want one that's moving a little faster. Let's see. Okay, this one is going upwards. There we go. There we go. Okay, there we go. I dumped double so we can recoup the loss. There we go. All right, we want to get this account to 1,000, so we are going to trade this as fast as we can. We're going to recoup this. Okay, there we go. We are applying that strategy that we learned. You double your trades as soon as they get in there. Okay, some are just, there we go. Break even. Okay, there we go. All right, so we can go down and let it, there we go. When it goes down, you go up. Okay, so we should be getting close to, there we go. All right, so we are almost getting there. All right, so this is like rapid timing. Okay, there we go. There we go. This is going down. Let's go further down. No, that's terrible. It's going further down. It's going further down, and it's going up now. And booyah, 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 booyah. Okay, we're back. Still trying to preserve the capital. We want to get to 1,000 and then we call it quits, guys. Just show you that the strategy works if you can follow the little principle. Okay, there we go. Okay, now we need one more trade and we are going to be there. Okay, there we go. And there we go. And there we go. We made it, guys, over $1,000. Okay, over $1,000. So guys, go ahead and practice this, rewatch this a couple times so you understand what it is. And if you need further coaching, if you want to learn, you can join our masterclass. Okay, the masterclass is open. It's been open for many years, but we've been underground. A lot of gurus have gone through our training. You can also too join them. And we are there to support you in the community. If you have any questions, we have set up a new Telegram group. You can join that if you like Telegram. If you don't like Telegram, we have a WhatsApp group. If you don't like WhatsApp, we have a private Facebook group. Once you join our masterclass, you will be invited to a private Facebook group where you can ask your questions, guys. And of course, once you're in the course, you can always ask questions. Every Wednesday we have a training, live training with our private students, and with their permission, we share those trainings with you guys in the members area. Okay, so every week you have a fresh training that shows you different strategies, what we are doing as far as the binary options training is concerned. And for those of you who are looking into the future, learning how to trade Forex, crypto, stocks, digital marketing, we have all those master classes available in the community, guys. So guys, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit the like button, share this. We want to get this channel to at least 5,000, and I know with your support we can get there. And of course, we are looking for about 1,000 individuals that we can work with this year and get them to the $1 million mark. This is your year. And let's say a word of prayer. Father, in the belief of the power Almighty, I pray that whoever is going to apply this training shall be successful. In the belief of the power of the Almighty, I pray. Amen. Guys, tomorrow we're going to have another training where I'm going to show you another strategy that you can use with the 5-second strategy, another technique that you can use that can make you money in the binary option world. Thank you, guys. Have a good night, good morning, and goodbye.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm